Instructor Bottle Watch, fuck the blue line flag. We got our second pullover of the day. Hurry up, guys, come on. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Let's see how he handles this one, guys. Yeah, this officer here pulling over this guy. I just changed up the whole turning up there on Nevada and Platte. For any of you guys that are watching that, they're not allowed to do left turns or some shit up there on Platte and fucking Nevada. Here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Most of y'all guys already know where I'm out of. I'm gonna stand over here a little bit. Get him right there. Hey, what'd he get you for? Huh? That is some pretty petty shit. For real. A seatbelt. Come the fuck on, man. See, guys, they're gonna pull this guy over first thing in the morning. He's probably on his way to fucking work. He might be late now. But this officer wants to pull him over for not having a seatbelt on, man. You know, it's such a minor bullshit charge, man. You know? Pretty fucking petty, man. It's not bad enough that they get paid by our tax dollars, but then they want to take more money from the taxpayers for stupid ass frivolous shit, guys. A fucking seatbelt, you know? And that ticket's probably a couple $100, you know? But they make money off of taxpayer money, but they want more. They don't have enough. It's corruption at its finest, guys. Fucking douchebag, man. Colorado Watch, fuck the blue line flag. Adam, Lindsay, love you guys.